a wood molder machine, Joineries and Industries look for a long-term solution to satisfy multiple needs, all of which are fundamental. High workloads, higher production quality, optimization of time and personnel, along with real support. The solution proposed by Futura is P.MAX, from an in-house project with 100% production in Italy, because maximum control ensures maximum performance. A molder capable of performing a wide variety of woodworking operations, with excellent results across multiple productions. Also customizable for specific requirements. Combining technical problem solving with the experience to interpret them. A more solid machine is essential to sustain high workloads. The work table is made of hardox, top of the range, with minimal risk of breakage. The gearbox drive system is designed to last a long time, even without maintenance. The coupling between poly V belts and pulleys is always high-performing. More efficiency is the key to obtaining high-quality productions. With cutting-edge technology, P.MAX improves the sliding fluidity of both axes and wood, without ever sacrificing precision. With top-level Siemens components in the electrical cabinets. Optimizing time means acting on the processing operations to make them faster and more integrated. The loading system is highly customizable, and it is easy to configure a production without interruptions. With equal effectiveness, the changeover between processes and the management of multiple profiles are facilitated by the axial stroke of the vertical spindles. 90 mm in the standard version, 120 mm as an option. The integration with the roller conveyor is perfect for accelerating unloading and piece return to the operator station. Simplicity is at the heart of every management system, even the most advanced ones. The color PLC with customizable touchscreen software is practical, intuitive, and easy to handle. It is not just about choosing a machine, but above all, relying on a partner. Futura, a historic brand in woodworking, operates in total synergy with the parent company. Since 2010, it has been part of Metalstar 2000, a family-owned company founded by Otto Cusano, with great experience in the metalworking sector. Almost the entire machine is produced in-house here, including final testing. Even with tools provided by the customer, with real people available immediately when support is needed. and above all, experts capable of providing the most effective response. This is why, if you are looking for a machine, we offer you solutions at an exceptional price.